So friends, today we are gonna start with this program. So today in this program we are gonna put heading color and background color. I mean background color of the heading and background color of the paragraph. So this is the all over program, and as we all know that we have to start the program with HTML tag, then comes the body tag, then comes the main thing inside the body, which is heading style tag, which will choose the heading background color. The next is paragraph style, which will choose the background of paragraph. Now this on. Now let's have a practical view by running this program. Let's see what the output comes. So I'm gonna copy this program and open notepad I'm gonna open notepad plus plus and now pasting it, and now let's save this and have a practical view. So I'm gonna save this in my file. Here's the file. So I'm gonna save this file by naming it 01.html. You have to write HTML as it is an HTML program. Okay, save. Now let's go to the file and have a check. Where is the file? So here is the file. Let's have a practical view of this file. See, the program was, let me open the program. The program was that heading tag background color of heading should be blue, so the background color is blue, and the paragraph should be tomato color, so it has become tomato color. Now see, if we change the color name, then the color will change. If I put green, and in place of tomato if I put pink, then let's see what the color comes. Now for this we have to save this and have a refresh button. Now see, the color has changed. Now this how we change the color of the background, only of the background of any heading or of any paragraph. So this was the first program all about. Now let's go to the second program. Now the second program is all about the border of the heading. I mean the border color of the line of the background, border color of the background. Now this is all about the program. Now let copy this and have a practical view, then you all will get a better understanding. Cut this. Now pasting it. Now save this. Paste it, save it. Now I'm saving this by 02.html. remember to give 0.html. So let's run this. Okay, go to the file. Now see, it has changed the color of the border, means it have put the outline color of the border. Now let's go to the program and have a look. So this is our program and this is our output of the program. So now if we change the colors and have a look, if I change tomato and if I do black, then what the output will come? I don't know, no black. If I give something valid, I've given valid, and let me give it 4 pixels in place of 2 pixels. Now what the output will come? This was the first heading. Save it and have a refresh. Now see, it has become valid and the border has become broader. So this was all about the second program. Okay, it is very easy to write. Now